Hello and welcome to my channel, where I offer you the best advice and ideas for creating the house of your dreams. In today's video, I'll show you Barndominium kits starting as low as $7,495 all the way up to luxury designs worth over $130,000 that are not only lovely and roomy, but also reasonably priced and simple to assemble. These are prefabricated steel buildings designed to be customized and assembled right on your property. Anyone who wants to live in a flexible, functional home with a modern and rustic feel will love them. Watch this video through to the end if you're interested in learning more about Barndominium kits. Before we begin though, please make sure to click the bell icon and subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you find it enjoyable. I'd be delighted to speak with you. Let's get going now. What is a Barndominium kit? A Barndominium kit is a set of parts that includes everything you'll need to assemble your Barndominium frame or shell. A Barndominium is a house with all the amenities and conveniences of a regular house, but with the exterior design of a barn. You can turn an existing barn into a house, or construct a brand new Barndominium. Typically, a Barndominium kit comes with the following parts: 1. Wood or steel for the frames. 2. Siding or sheet metal for walls. 3. Roof structure for doors and windows. 5. Interior walls, plans and guidelines. Appliances, flooring, cabinets, countertops, plumbing, electrical, and insulation may also be included in some Barndominium kits. Nevertheless, the majority of kits don't come with these, so you'll need to purchase them separately or pay a contractor to install them. Benefits of purchasing a Barndominium kit. 1. By saving yourself the trouble of designing and sourcing your own materials, you can save both money and time. 2. To fit your requirements and tastes, a range of sizes and designs are available. 3. You have the option to alter the design or add new features to your Barndominium kit. 4. Using engineered and tested prefabricated materials can lead to increased consistency and quality control. 5. Choosing materials like steel or wood that are resistant to corrosion, weather, fire, and pests will increase their durability and sustainability. Pricing for the best Barndominium kits. Barndominium kits come in a variety of designs and price points. Here are some examples of the best Barndominium kits with prices that you can consider for your own home. Backyard Barndominium kit starts at $7,495. Buy 8-foot gable roof ADU or accessory dwelling unit that can be used as a tiny home, guest house, studio, or office. It features steel framing and an 18-foot covered front porch. All steel-framed kits from New Ecosystem screw together, so you don't have to worry about welding. The kits come with construction materials, complete engineering plans, and installation videos. The Backyard Barndominium kit has 270 square feet of living space and costs $17,142. White Cottage, starting at $23,788. The White Cottage is a quaint Barndominium that comes in 4 sizes ranging from 1,000 square feet to 1,360 square feet. The smallest size is 28 by 40 feet, with prices starting at $23,788. All options include a 6 by 12 foot front porch, with a 24 by 24 foot carport upgrade available. The interior features an open floor plan, making it easy to customize. The White Cottage does not come with windows, doors, HVAC, or plumbing. It is made by Texas Barndominiums, a company that specializes in customizing and building Barndominiums. Gable Roof Barndominium, $37,500. The Gable Roof Barndominium is a 24 by 30 foot kit featuring steel framing. It has 23-foot covered lean-to porches and a 15 by 24 foot second-story mezzanine floor. The floor plan is open, so you can customize it to suit your needs. The Gable Roof Barndominium contains engineering plans, materials, and video instructions. It has about 1,000 usable square feet and costs $37,500. It is made by New Ecosystems, a company that offers various steel-framed Barndominium kits. Westbrook, $40,200. 2-car garage. It comes in 4 sizes, 1,200, 1,500, 1,600, and 2,000 square feet. Prices for the smallest size start at $40,200. A 10 by 40 wraparound porch and a 24 by 24 attached carport. The interior has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and a laundry room. The Westbrook does not come with windows, doors, HVAC, or plumbing. It is made by Budget Home Kits, a company that offers various steel-framed home kits. The Olive, $66,900. The Olive is a 1-story barndominium kit with a gambrel roof and a loft. It comes in 3 sizes, 1,440, 1,728, and 2,160 square feet. Prices for the smallest size start at $66,900 and increase based on customizations. The Olive has options for a 12 by 40 front porch and 12 by 40 back porch. The interior has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and a loft. The Olive does not come with windows, doors, HVAC, or plumbing. It is made by Countrywide Barns, a company that offers various wood-framed barndominium kits. 30 by 81 feet barndominium kit, $78,594. The 30 by 81 feet barndominium kit is a large kit featuring steel framing and sheet metal siding. It has a gable roof and 2 lean-to porches on each side. The floor plan is open, so you can customize it to suit your needs. The 30 by 81 feet barndominium kit contains engineering plans, materials, and instructions. It has about 2,430 square feet of living space and costs $78,594 from framed building kits. The Magnolia, $114,320. The Magnolia is a 2-story barndominium kit with a hip roof and a balcony. It comes in 4 sizes, 2,400, 3,000, 3,600, and 4,800 square feet. Prices for the smallest size start at $114,320 and increase based on customizations. The Magnolia has options for a 10 by 40 front porch and a 10 by 40 back porch. The interior has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, a dining room, and a laundry room. The Magnolia does not come with windows, doors, HVAC, or plumbing. It is made by Texas Barndominiums. The Maple, $128,000. It comes in 3 sizes, 2,400, 2,880, and 3,600 square feet. Prices for the smallest size start at $128,000. It includes a 10 by 40 front porch and a 10 by 40 back porch. The interior has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, a living room, and a laundry room. The Maple does not come with windows, doors, HVAC, or plumbing. It is made by Countrywide Barns. The Cypress, $138,600. The Cypress is a 2-story barndominium kit with a gambrel roof and an attached garage. It comes in 3 sizes, 3,600, 4,320, and 5,400 square feet. Prices for the smallest size start at $138,600. It includes a dining room and a loft. The Cypress does not come with windows, doors, HVAC, or plumbing. It is made by Countrywide Barns. The Dogwood, $139,999. The Dogwood is a spacious 6,860 square feet barndominium kit with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open-concept living, dining, and kitchen area. It's a fully furnished house kit. Being a full house kit, the Dogwood comes with everything you need to construct the building's exterior as well as interior finishes like sheetrock, light fixtures, plumbing fixtures, cabinets, countertops, and more. So there you have it, some amazing examples of barndominium kits that you can go for. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.